lets me a big bag. Why not? My mom is low-key right behind me. I'm okay. I have this biscuit, chicken, this, yummy, and just a little bit Fanta left. So I'm gonna eat my biscuit first, because I haven't eaten it yet. That's yummy. This is called Texas Church's Texas Chicken. Texas Church's Chicken. That's good. That side is just a little bit hard, but the inside is really yummy. Huh? Why?
It was cold.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, but now let's try this. Yummy. Try this. Let's say like a 6 out of 10. Not like as good, but still really yummy. But I'm just chilling, eating. About to watch Sonic 3. When I'm done with my food. Oh, there's food in the oven. We're having a pepperoni pizza for pasta. I've never had it before. Not me listening to Jelly Roll in the background. I can't find my Fanta. And Fast Freak, if you're watching this, sorry, I did not know it's 1 a.m. I thought, because I forgot that we live in different states. And right now it's 7:28 p.m. If comments are available, comment what time it is for you.